beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen and Nikki, my returning subscribers. Thanks for always tuning into the channel, and if today is the first time, kindly hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, in this today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you guys how to do a lovely cornrow, like a lovely pattern for your crochet. So guys, stay tuned and let's jump into the tutorial. First thing, you wash the hair. After washing the hair, you go ahead and you begin to section the hair, as you can see what I'm doing here right now. So what I'm actually doing, I'm sectioning small portion at the front. Can you see? So after that, you secure it, then you go to the back and then you begin to section it as well, just for you to do a lovely cornrow. Can you see guys? So this particular one will make it look as if you do individual all through, but this one is just in form of as if you're fixing it. The braiding, the cornrow, is just as if you want to fix a weave on. But trust me guys, you guys will love the outcome. Just keep watching, do not skip. It's a short video and you guys will learn something different. Can you see guys? So after that, you braid like 2 at the back, then you come to the side and you begin to cornrow the hair. Can you see? You secure the tip of the one you braid aside, just to mat it together and to secure it. Can you see? So that's how you keep going, just as if you want to fix weave on. Can you see guys? Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe, please guys. And please guys, make sure you watch ads. That's the only way you can appreciate your girl. Please, I'm begging you guys, please watch ads. Can you see guys? Please don't mind my voice, so I have cold. So guys, that's how you keep braiding. So when you are done with the first side, you go ahead to the other side and repeat the same thing. Can you see? So when you are done braiding it, you just secure the tips, the remaining one, and that one that you section aside at the front. All what you need to do is just to braid it individual braid. Can you see? You braid it like 6. Depend on how you want the front to be full. You can braid it more than 6. So after that, you go ahead and you begin to crochet the fox locks, which I've done mine. Can you see? So you use your crochet pin to fix it. After that, this front, you're using your hand. You just bring out a little of the fox locks. You bring the tips out, then you use it to grip the natural braid that you braided aside. You braid it. After braiding it, you use your needle and thread just to secure it and make sure the natural hair is not obvious. You tack it very well. Can you see? You tack it in a way that you secure the natural hair inside. That's how you keep going. Can you see guys? Can you see? Then you use it to grip the roots of the braid. Make sure the one you are pulling out is not much, so that you'll be able to hide it very well. Can you see? That's how you keep going. Please let me know in the comment section if you guys love this tutorial, and if this video is helpful to you guys. Please go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. Share this video to your friends and family. Leave a comment in the comment section if you guys enjoy watching this lovely tutorial. Can you see guys? That's how you keep going. Make sure you secure it well by tying it. Can you see? So when you're done, just go ahead and you apply your hair mousse, you apply hair accessory if needed, and that's all. This is the final look of this braid. Can you see? Thank you. I love you all.